The supervisor's out today, Miss Miracle. We got a fun project. We're putting in an eco rain barrel. Here it is. This is all recycled plastic. And we are going to collect rainwater for our beautiful garden here. We're turning it into a nature preserve. And we have inspection ready. So it must be the filter. Catch any debris. So we're going to install it here. We got some bricks so we can give it some height so some gravity can push the water down out to the hose. The spout will go down here. So that's what we're doing. Fun times. Cheese.